well-wishers and friends.
It's an honor that this beautiful audience have gathered here. I, Miss Vibhusha, with my co-host,
Miss Yajanashri,
once again welcome you all on behalf of Maharishi Group of Institutions.
We would like to start the program with a Lord's Prayer by our girls.
अनाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणाधीत्याय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुविक्रमाय वीरप्रबलाय गुणवे गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय गुरुरूपाय तन्त्रतत्त्वाय गोचरप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीत्याय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविशाय धीमहि
அவங்க என்ன சொல்கிறது வரமாட்டேங்குது சுத்தமாக வரலையடா அது ஃபுல்லாக வச்சுருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சவுண்ட் அவங்களுக்கு மைக் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வச்சுருக்காங்க
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure to have you all here today to enjoy this special occasion with us. I feel extremely privileged to have been given the kickstart of this event. On behalf of Maharishi Group of Institutions, we welcome you all and express our gratitude for accepting our invitation and taking time out of your packed schedule for our school. We really acknowledge your kind presence here. Today, we are here to celebrate the hard work of our students and the dedication of our teachers. This cultural event is really a great opportunity for us to showcase the skills, the talents, and many other creativity to our parents, teachers, as well as our community. Over the past year, our school has been buzzing with activity and we have accomplished so much. We have organized various competitions, events, sports day, and much more. Our students have taken part in these events with such a great enthusiasm and they have won numerous awards. Today, we are here to celebrate the best of these achievements in order to recognize the efforts of our teachers as well as our students. I am proud to say that the programs that we have planned for this evening is really going to be a true reflection of our school's motto, the school, the children love to learn. Once again, we welcome you all to enjoy our Maharishians performance. I'm sure that everyone will enjoy this event and they are ready to push the boundaries of what is impossible. Thank you one and all. It's the show time now.
It's time for which you have been waiting for. Let's begin. Welcome to the world of rhythm, melody and expressions. A world where every step narrates a story, where every 12 paints a canvas of emotion.
A dance isn't simply the movement of bodies directed by beats. It's much more.
It's an awe-inspiring amalgamation of culture, tradition, and passion. So, let the curtains rise and the spotlight shine as we dive into the enchanting world of welcome dance. What an exhilarating performance!
Each step taken was a note in the symphony of culture and art.
let's give a blistering round of applause for our performers who have filled our hearts with joy and our event with an auspicious beginning. A big thank you for such a spectacular start to our event. Your performance has indeed radiated a warm welcome to everyone present here. Vibhusha, do you like cartoon characters?
Yes, Yachna, I like cartoon characters very much. That too, my favorite cartoon characters are Sindra, Mona, and so on.
Where have you seen them?
What is this silly question? We could have seen them in cartoons and animation movies only.
Oh, then there is a surprise for you. Be ready to meet your favorite cartoon characters in real on stage now. Yes, let's welcome our Balamandir buddies to entertain us.
Excellent kids, we got stuck up in your most beautiful performance.